gumaganda sa tuwing ikaw at ako ang magkasama, para bang kinukulayan na.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate.
Ayun na pa. Uy, vlog yun eh. Uy, vlog yun eh, vlog na. Hello, vlog, yeah! Once again, nandito na kami ngayon sa RBS Mindanao, Zamboanga City, Quezon. Yeah. Nandito kami ngayon naliligo. As you can see, talaga naliligo kami, literal. Nandito kami ngayon, lingaw na masayang masaya. Anong masasabi mo sa Tide? Ha? Anong masasabi mo sa Tide? Gulat ako. Gulat ka, no?
Lingaw na lingaw, kayo kami.
Anong masasabi mo sa Perla?
Balina!
Perfect.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so low.
Alright guys, malapit na kami. Ipapakita namin sa inyo yung view kung gaano kaganda yung beach dito sa Marcos, Zamboanga City. Parang po, Talisay City. Wala, kanina nandun kami sa Pagadian kami kanina, tapos bumiyahan kami dito ng isang oras mahigit. Nagmotor kami ng dalawa, tapos pagkadating namin dito, ito na, wala na akong masabi, tangin ang init. Ayan, nandito na pala tayo.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay, cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap